Gentleman made an excellent point. Can you please stand and give that information again?
I started just by going to Parkland Hospital, my own hospital, that was treating me. And I always ask when I go for a checkup, are there any new clinical trials? That's how we found the Xtandi drug. We were looking at AMPK activators in Parkland, said, well, we actually have some tests going on with that drug. So they went through the channels and they helped me get the Xtandi. So I'm now part of that group as well. But do that, and then there's another document called PubMed that issues the results of clinical trials, and also the drug companies themselves. You can call some of the drug companies, look at some of the medicines that you take every day. Look on the bottle and see who makes them, and
Exactly.
just call the drug company.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.